Assalamu alaikum. Let me show you how to make this yummy, delicious cucumber salad, and you will love this. And if you're in for a weight loss, then try this recipe, okay? I am Hirat, and you're welcome to my channel. Please do subscribe, like this video, and share, okay? So, firstly, I am going to boil my eggs, and here I was using 3 eggs. I will add water to it, cover, and allow it to come to a boil for 7 to 10 minutes. So, after that, my eggs are ready, and I am going to transfer the eggs into cold water with some ice cubes and allow it to cool down completely. And here comes the star ingredient of the show. So I'm going to cut both sides like this and then discard it. And I am going to divide the cucumber into two. Some cucumbers doesn't have seeds in it, but mine was having seeds. So I just removed the seeds parts. And some people actually eat it just like that. So just do what pleases you, okay? So I will remove all the seeds and then set it aside before cutting the cucumbers into my preferred size and shape.
Irot Kitchen. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. New video every week. Ring the bell and get notified when we upload. Both local and continental dishes. Irot Kitchen will show you how to prepare them. Everything food. Irot Kitchen. Everything food. Irot Kitchen. Everything food. Irot Kitchen. Everything food. Irot Kitchen. Both local and continental dishes. Irot Kitchen will show you.
Here I am transferring it into a bowl because I want to extract the excess water in the cucumber. I will then add salt to it and then give it a gentle stir till it is well combined. This process will also help to infuse the salt into the cucumber. So after mixing, I will cover and allow it to rest for 10 minutes for the water to be well extracted. And my next ingredient is tomatoes. So I used 2 tomatoes and I am going to cut it into two and then remove the seeds as well. So I will continue with this process till I'm done with all the tomatoes.
Irot Kitchen. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. New video every week. Ring the bell and get notified when we upload. Both local and continental dishes. Irot Kitchen will show you how to prepare them. Everything food. Irot Kitchen. Everything food. Irot Kitchen. Everything
When
food.
it comes to the cutting, you can either slice it or dice it, okay? It all depends on your preference. So I am going to dice it nicely and then set it aside.
Irot Kitchen. Everything food. Irot Kitchen. Both local and continental dishes.
And my next ingredient is onion. And here, just cut it according to how you want it, okay? But I am going to slice mine. So make sure to remove this part
Will show
from the
you.
onion.
Stay tuned.
So after slicing the first part, I realized it was too big. So I divided it into two again and then continue with the slicing. If you want it bigger too, you can just do it your way. And now I am done with the cutting, and you can add bell peppers if you prefer. Okay. After cutting everything, I will set it aside. In a bowl, I will go in with 3 spoons of mayonnaise,
Irat Kitchen. Welcome to the channel.
2 spoons of yogurt,
Subscribe to the channel.
honey, and in replace of honey, you can add sugar.
New video every week. Ring the bell and get notified when we upload. Uh,
Lemon juice, or you can use lime juice.
Local and continental.
White pepper. White pepper is a must in this recipe. Make sure not to skip that part, okay? I will then give it a proper mix till everything is well formulated.
Irat Kitchen go show you how to prepare them. Everything food. Irat Kitchen. Everything food. Irat Kitchen. Everything food. Irat
After mixing, this is what we have. So creamy and delicious. So I will set it aside and then continue with the process.
Kitchen. Everything food. Irat Kitchen.
So back to our cucumber. I am going to open it and see the water that was extracted. So can you see the water wasn't that much, but alas, we have extracted. So in my salad bowl, I will go in with my cucumbers,
Local and continental dishes. Irat Kitchen will show you. Stay tuned.
add onions, tomatoes, and your salad is ready if you don't want any salad dressing, okay? So next I will add my salad dressing. Let's see how the salad is serving hot hot. Just try this recipe and you will just love this. My kids and I just enjoy this salad without anything. Oh. They couldn't even wait for me to pair it with some rice. So next I will add my eggs. And for the eggs, I cut them into smaller pieces. And I added it later because I don't want to add it earlier for it to scatter during the stirring process. Okay, so I will give it a gentle stir once again, and then our salad is salading already. Just see this salad, so juicy, delicious, mouth watering, and then the meal. Please don't forget to like this video, okay? Share this video so it can reach wider audience. And don't forget to subscribe. Oh, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upload from me in the future. See you in the next one. Bye bye.